Just kind of going through my chores today. I'm kind of having a slow day. I just got done running 8 miles, which was my longest run yet since my surgery, which, by the way, I'm completely healed from. All better. Doctor's approval to run, but for the marathon, I decided to just step it down to the half marathon. Didn't have enough training to do the whole thing. So, hope you enjoy kind of walking through the chickens, seeing what they're up to. They know it's food time. You silly. These are Delaware chickens. Look, I made a chicken food hand. Buff Orpingtons. Black Australorp. These are some young Australorp hens. Rhode Island Red. Barred Rock chickens, Muscovy ducks, runner ducks, crested runner ducks, pilgrim geese. Her name is Old Lady. She's 11 years old and she still lays fertile eggs. I can tell her apart because she just looks older, and she's also missing one toe. Right there. Right there. See that? Only my runner ducks are laying eggs this year. The others aren't old enough. Except I have one Muscovy hen, but they look like this. Either white or blue. This one's white. I have 2 turkeys in here. Those big guys. And I don't know what kind of turkeys they are. But my coop is not coming along, the new coop is not coming along as fast as I thought it was. So I'm probably going to sell these turkeys. I don't know, I'm undecided. I really like them, but I don't really have a spot for them, so if that works out, I'll keep them. If not, I'm gonna have to sell them. And these are black Hopper Morans chicks. Silly rooster got stuck. Silly rooster. For now, I have a couple of ducklings and goslings in there with just 5 quail. Hello, little quail. Where's the boy? Oh, I think it's this one right here. And the phoenix. Hi, girlies. Say we're special because we don't molt and we lay eggs all year long. And which one are you? Oh, you're bloody. Have you been fighting? Oops. Oh, we can't have that. This is Dr. Pepper. And he's my only silver phoenix. And he has been fighting sometimes with Coca-Cola. You're supposed to be brothers. We'll see. So you can see I've got silver females, got some gold females. These are today's phoenix eggs. Yeah, they keep fighting and it's breaking their feathers, but they're still pretty long. But I'm gonna go collect the eggs later. Today I have a present for the bees, and we're gonna do a bee checkup. Make sure everyone is just being good, and make sure and stop to smell the roses. These bees are really active today. In case they want to swarm, swarming is just their way of reproducing. I want to make sure that they have a place to go. So I'm adding this small empty box that has just, you know, it has some good beeswax frames in there. What the bees do is they send out little scouts, and the scouts find potential home sites, and then they raise a new queen, and then they split in half. Or, you know, so many go with the new queen while the others stay with this queen. So they're really neat. I do have a smoker, I just don't like to use it. And bee suits. Alright, now I can just wait and see what happens. Okay, so I cracked open this hive just to see what's going on. There's not much action in the top box, but there's a little bit. They're doing something in there. They're working on this one here. But the second box isn't finished being filled yet, so I don't know what they're doing. We'll find out. Let's take a look. Oh, they have brood in here. Interesting, because I wouldn't expect to see brood there. Maybe they're just cleaning out some dead brood from before. Alright, so I think instead of, I don't know if I'm going to take this one off. Let me look in here. Because there's not much action in that bottom box. Alright, well. Let's take a look at these. Looks like they've kind of glued their sections together. So I want to see what they're doing. Brood chamber. This is where the babies are being laid and hatched. Oh, yeah, I guess it is hatched. Or well, what do they have in here then? Oh wow, that's some great beeswax. But I don't want it to connect the two because then it'll be hard to clean stuff out. So I'm going to take this for like making my lotions and soaps and things. I have a bunch of beeswax too that I have to filter. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to keep this because I don't want this kind of bill done. And it doesn't look like much is happening in the bottom box. So I think I'm going to take this and switch it out with the bottom and not have the bottom on as part of this hive, because there's just not bees here to fill it. So there we go. This one kind of got reduced in size. I'm going to take this all back inside, and then I have this empty box set up in those guys. When I get done everything, I'll come around and collect the eggs, and at that time I'll pick up my beeswax too. So this duck made a nest in my catnip over here. Here, ducky ducky. I have food for you. Come on.
Who's in there?
Hello? Are you gonna come out and get your food? Come on.
What's in here? That's it. I got 4 leaves. I have.
There's the ducky in her nest. She doesn't want to come out, so there's her little babies.
Why she doesn't want to come?
They're precious because she's scared. Well, she.
Wait.
This is my new chicken coop.
Let's go.
So I'll have pens in here. Going to all be outdoor runs. They'll have roofs, but they'll have open walls, and so there'll be like a pen here and a pen here, like 7 or 8 of them.
Tomorrow.
And then all this other. Don't step all over this because we're trying to grow some grass.
Why?
Because we have to grow new grass. And out there will be more pens and stuff. So I can't wait for this to get finished because my chickens are gonna love it.
My